was how I watched him go, and I hate myself for not doing anything. We were on a boat. We sang, and he does have a cracked voice, but it did not sound like noise or anything of that sort, so I found the melody in every word. It was raining that night, accompanied by this loud thunderstorm that got me so terrified. But then I realized that it wasn't just the damn storm. There was a hurricane, and he was pulled away by it. I watched him struggle to speak, to see me, to breathe. And I just stood and stared till I couldn't do anything. I didn't know what to do. That was how I watched him go. And I hate myself for not doing anything.